Maryam, I have a strange problem. I can understand English, but when I try to speak, my brain suddenly says goodbye.
Haha. Your brain actually leaves. Whoa.
Haha, yes, completely. It packs its bags and goes on vacation.
Don't worry, Umar. You're not alone. A lot of English learners understand English but struggle to speak it.
So, I understand English, but my mouth doesn't?
Exactly. Your brain has the English, but your mouth is still loaded. Reason number 1. You understand more than you speak. When you listen, you only need to recognize the words.
But when I'll speak, I have to find the words myself.
Exactly. Understanding English is different from producing English.
So when someone speaks English to me,
You understand everything.
yes,
And when they say, now you answer, what you always say.
my brain say, sorry, we are currently closed.
Reason number 2. You translate everything.
Oh, I definitely do this. I think in Urdu, then translate it into English.
And by the time you finish translating,
The person has already asked me 3 more questions.
exactly. Try thinking in simple English instead.
So, instead of translating every sentence,
Start with simple thoughts.
like, I'm hungry,
Good.
I'm tired,
Good.
where is my phone,
Excellent.
who took my snacks?
Umar, that one is very important. Reason number 3. You're afraid of mistakes.
But Maryam, what if I make a grammar mistake?
Then you correct it and keep speaking.
But what if I make 5 mistakes?
Then you learn 5 things.
What if I make 10?
Congratulations. You got a free English lesson.
So, I shouldn't wait until my English is perfect.
Exactly. Speak first, improve as you go. The 10-second speaking challenge. Okay, Umar, quick challenge. Tell me 3 things you did today.
Okay. I woke up early.
Good.
I had breakfast.
Great.
And I studied English.
See? You can speak English.
Wait, my brain stayed this time.
Because you stopped trying to be perfect. Remember, you don't need perfect English to start speaking.
You need to start speaking to improve your English.
Think in simple English.
Speak every day.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Because your brain might say goodbye.
But you can tell it.
Come back. We're speaking English.
Keep learning with English Spark. And hit the subscribe button and like this video. That helps us a lot.